So we're going to oil this electric machine. I have my bottles here of oil. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to tilt the machine and you oil it from down here. As you can see, I had already drained my oil, but if you need to drain, there is this screw right here. So you just unscrew and you drain the oil. You can collect it from below. Then there are these marks, the low and high. So if your oil is at low, then you know you need to refill, but you can't go above high, the high position. So all that you need to do is to just pour your oil all the way to the high position. So that's one bottle, which means I'll need the other bottle. And that's it. So as you can see, my oil is at the highest position. I don't know if you can see, but this is it. And once you're done oiling, all you need to do is to bring up your machine back to its position. If it's the first time you are oiling it, or you had completely drained the oil like I did with mine, then you need to run the machine for a few seconds so that the oil can go all the way up. And this is where you can see the oil